Fear used to wake me in the dead of night, cold hands gripping my chest too tight. Every step felt like broken glass, wondering how long this storm would last. No courage roaring in my veins, just a quiet voice beneath the pain, saying walk on through, don't turn away, you'll breathe easier another day. I was shaking, I was unsure, but moving forward was the cure. Fear, pain, and failure carve this soul of mine, like a river cutting stone through time. If the road had been easy, smooth and wide, I'd have never found the strength inside. I wasn't brave, I just walked through the fire, step by step, through the doubt and the why. Every scar, every fall, every lonely mile shaped the man I am all the while. As a child I wore the weight of shame, never fitting in their little games. Every room felt cold and strange, every face just looked the same. Tried to belong, tried to pretend that the mask I wore would never mend. Standing there in borrowed skin, feeling ridiculous within. Each failed attempt to be like them led me back to who I am. Fear, pain, and failure carved this soul of mine, like a river cutting stone through time. If the road had been easy, smooth and wide, I'd have never found the strength inside. I wasn't brave, I just walked through the fire, step by step, through the doubt and the wire. Every scar, every fall, every lonely mile shaped the man I am all the while. I thought different meant I was wrong, an off-key note in a perfect song, till silence showed me another way. Solitude had something to say. Not better, not above, not apart, just a different rhythm in my heart. Fear knotted tight inside my gut, failure slammed every hopeful door shut. Pain pressed down till I couldn't stand, like the weight of the world in my hands. But I carried it into the trees, where the wind spoke truth through the leaves, and the earth beneath my worn out feet taught my restless soul to breathe. Broken bones with a spirit mend, stronger where the fractures bend. Every crack let the light come through, built a tougher, wiser hill, what once shattered who I'd been, forged the steel beneath my skin.
Fear, pain, and failure carve this soul of mine,
Turn the wounds into roots over time. Every obstacle that blocked my way built the man that stands today. I wasn't fearless, I walked afraid, through crushing doubt and the debts I paid. Being broken made me rise again, stronger in heart, in will and skin. We all face mountains we never planned, trials that shape both heart and hand. Don't turn away when the dark appears, toward the pain. Let the lesson prevail. Strength is born where comfort fails. Through fear and loss and what feels unfair, you become the person